Man, I finally got to retire the chair, man. Let me show y'all. So on the link, you see how loud it is too. I got this chair I just bought, which I'm gonna put it together and give you guys my review and feedback. And also I got the chair in the link below in the comments, so y'all can check it out if y'all like the chair. And also, if you can fix this chair, man, let me know. But this is a good chair, by the way, though. I've had this for years, so hopefully this chair I'm gonna get right now can do this, live just as long, if not longer. So let's get to it. So this my old one right here, and this my new one. So I'm gonna give y'all a quick little sit test real quick. I'm gonna show y'all the difference. Alright, so this is the new one right here. So this one cool. This one nice and firm. Only difference from sitting in this chair where this one, like right here, it's a little stiff. it feels I like the cushion on this one a little better. But this is a lot firm. I like the armrest. It fits my arms. It fits how I rest naturally on here. And also, bam. Far as seat, drop down, and then also too, it automatically sets up a little bit, so I can lean it back all the way here. Cool. It's chilling. So I like this chair. It feels better like right here. I probably might need like another pillow, like right on this part. And I think other than that, that'd be cool. This would be perfect then. I like this one. This is my old daddy right here. Oh man. Oh man. Like the arms here still cool, still nice and soft, but you see, I mean, I don't know if y'all can see, it got a little wear and tear right here. This one is more likely not to have that. So I just need to get like a little pillow right here. Then after that, this chair good. But like right here, I can hear a little, like a slight little crack, like a little something on here. I think it's probably adjusting to my size or whatever. I'm not sure. But other than that part, besides that, this is good. I like this chair. That's pretty much it. So it was, as far as the setup part, I would say this. I give this setup probably like a 6. Like this was easy, and this easy, but like right here, I'm gonna show y'all. Like this part right here was hard to put in. I don't know if it was because like this bar was kind of broken or whatever, but this part was giving me so much issue to put this, to attach it on here. This took probably like literally like 20-30 minutes to do this, but if this was working good, I probably could set this chair in probably like less than like 5 minutes, no lie. But overall, it's a good look. I like the aesthetic. So hit, like I said, the link in the description of this chair. I'll give this chair this off right now, off the bat. I'll give it a nice little 8, 2 out of 10, in my opinion. So I'll recommend getting this chair as far as gaming and all that stuff. So I rock with it. So like I said, I got the video. I got the link in the bio. Not the link in the bio. I got the link in the description if y'all want to get one yourselves. But overall, I like the look, the sleekness of it. So let me know what you guys think. Hit the subscribe button.